Aloha crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a relaxing Sunday. I wanted to come on with a quick Walmart haul. I went to Walmart yesterday with my husband and they have, all their Halloween items out, but they also started displaying or putting out their Christmas items, and oh my gosh, they have like the cutest ornaments. I mean, they always have cute ornaments, and so I do buy a few from there every year. And usually my theme for my house is Candyland. If y'all know, like my tree, my house, inside, outside is all Candyland themed. So it's all pastels and sweets and gingerbreads and all that good stuff. And so I want to share really quick what I hauled. And the first one, look at this. Look how cute this is. It's merry and bright. I bought a few because I thought these would be nice to gift, for my upcoming Christmas swaps that I'm going to, enter. I mean, I don't know of any Christmas swaps going on now, but I do plan to enter a few of them. So I think this would be nice. Not just this one, but the others that I'm going to show are nice for gift giving, or even adding on to like gear packaging. But I just thought she was darling and she's super cute. And this one is $1.98, so I got her. And these mini ornaments, I usually always get these mini ornaments. This one is a baking theme, and I only got one of these because this is not really the kind of colors that I work with for Christmas, but I do have some traditional or like vintage looking Christmas paper. And so, this would be nice for like a baking themed swap, or even like, I don't know, just adding to your projects, I guess. So I thought this is really cute, but I just got one. And oh my gosh, these are the cutest. Look at these cute little gingerbread men and women, or boys and girls. Super cute. So I bought a bunch of these. I got I think 3 sets of these here. But yeah, so they're a good size. They are just under 2 inches with the hole there, so you could use it as a charm to hang, put it on your projects, your purses, your packaging. I just thought this was super cute, so I got a few of those. And then I also got these cute cookies that I thought were really cute. My only thing about this one is I wish they used like a lighter frosting. Like, it would have been nice if they used the brown, or they even made the cookie, like use this beige on here. But it's okay because I can work with this, and I thought these are cute, so I bought a couple of those. And then, oh my gosh, look at these cuties. So they had the one with the spoon, the whisk, and a spatula. And I didn't get the spatula. I thought I picked it up, but I didn't. So I have to go back and get it so I can have the set. But this is $1.98, and I thought they were adorable. I love it. I might get a few just to add, because I do hope to have some baking or gingerbread theme Happy Mail going out, and this would be nice to add to that. And so I got that. And this one, look at this one. Isn't he cute? This is $1.98. It's like a pie crust, like a pie pan, or like a large bottle cap. But I thought this was so cute. And I like the hearts for the cheeks and the peppermint. Adorable. Love him. And so I got 2 of those. Oops. I got this one here, Made with Love, Gingerbread Baking Company. I think this is what I'm going to use on my tiered tray that I have on my table, my formal dining table. So this is, I'm going to add to the tiered tray. I thought that was cute. And I got this cute trinket tray. This was $4.98, but he's adorable, or she's adorable. So I can use that here to put like, you know, I don't know, like my dyes that I'm using, or just anything really that I'm working with. So she's going to be on my table for a while. So I bought that. I got this ribbon. I just like it because it's sheer, and I like the confetti. So I thought that was really cool. And this one was $2.98 for 15 feet. And oh my gosh, y'all are gonna love this. Look at this. It's a little like a cookie sheet with the 2 gingerbread and the rolling pin. $1.98, guys. Look at that. So I bought one for my tree, and then I'm gonna give one away. You know, one of my swaps, or if I do like a Happy Meal, Christmas Happy Meal. So I really love this one. That's one of my favorites. And oh my gosh, look at this one. A bigger cookie sheet. Look at that, with 4 of them, with the spoon and all the frosting that they're on. This one was $4.98, but if you look at the size difference, so this one is a little over 5 inches with the handles. This one is about 7.5. So aren't these cute? It's a bit heavy, but I have a really good tree. We use a we have a Martha Stewart artificial tree for downstairs, and then upstairs in our second living room we do another tree, but they're all artificial. But this is it's a little heavy, but it'll work because a lot of my ornaments are glass and they're heavy, so it'll work. Then I wanted to share these fellas here. Look how cute. So I think it'd be like this here. There, you got these 2 here. Super cute, the boy and the girl. He has the book. And they were, I believe, $1.98. Yep, $1.98. So cute and sparkly. I love them. And look at this fella here. Super cute. There wasn't any like matching, so he's all by himself, or she's all by herself. So I got those. Then I got these here. Oh, maybe this one. So like so, see? So that's how it works. And then I have one more here. Hold on. And this one here. So I showed you that one. So you have this one here with the rolling pin. He's a little more sugary. A lot of glitter. And then you got this Christmas tree with the frosting on the top. This is the color of my tree, like all of my ornaments. And this one too. So I'm adding these all to my tree. Love, love, love. And I bought 2 extras to give away, because I always buy extras to give away. And last but not least, look at these big gingies. Look at how cute they are. I love them. So this one is about 7 inches tall by like 5.5 inches wide. And they are just darling. I think Target's holiday time did a great job this year. These were $4.98, and I love them. So these are definitely going on my tree. My tree is I think it's a 9-foot tree, 9 or 10. So I bought 2 so we can just kind of spread them around. But aren't they darling? I love them. I love, love, love them. I can't wait to go back. I'm going to go back tomorrow and see if they got anything else in. But yeah, so this is my haul. I don't know. I hope your Walmarts have these in stock if you see any that you like, because they are super cute and affordable. But anyway, I have to go back to crafting. I have so many Halloween swaps I need to finish. I never thought I'd say this, but I am like almost done with Halloween. I just want to finish my projects and I want to bust out all my Christmas supplies because I am just excited and ready to go for Christmas. So you all take care. Have a relaxing rest of your Sunday, and I will see you all soon. Bye.